You want to tell them what we're cooking today, or you want me to? Nothing. We're fixing to go for a ride in our old truck. We're probably going to find us a couple of creeks to stop at. We got our snacks and our drinks, and we're ready to go. Y'all want to come with us? He still cranks up, so we're starting off good. Duct taping all. Also, instead of listening to the old radio in this truck, we brought a speaker and an iPad. Screaming no limit, soldiers 1, 2, 3 into the fold. Snoop Doggy, Dr. Dre's at the control. I don't get in there with the boot. Take it off. Oh, with the boot. It feels good. Well, I see tide poles. Those are tide poles. I started walking between my toes. Oh, I wonder if it's down through there. That water feels so good. It's hot today. Somebody's been out here and left a towel.
The sand feels great on my feet. Feels like we're at the beach.
He brought his bat in case we need it for any snakes.
And in case I hurt my ankle again.
Well, that was so much fun. We're definitely going to have to do that again. I just need to make sure we have our swimsuits on. It is hot. We've already talked about it. We're going to pack us a lunch, come out here and picnic, bring our swimsuit. It'll be a good day.
Heaven ain't a lot like Dixie. I don't want to go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just shook his head, then began to yell. You got a bad case of love. Yeah.
Woman in the mirror.
This is a man.
Follow my rule. If it's a bad time.
But she's got me showing up late, leaving work early. Wherever I'm going in a hurry to get back to getting some of her sweet loving. She's the only reason that I can't do nothing but sit around thinking about her every minute. If this is what they call love, I might be in it.
Sleeping in your bed. Ow, who you gonna call?
We'll just have 2 number ones with sweet tea.
Alright, 2 number 1, 2, 3, 2.
Yeah,
Okay, anything else?
that's all.
I think it'll be 1823 before that.
It's gonna rain, it's gonna pour, this broken heart out on the floor.
Getting us some squash. We're getting us a little jar of local honey. I found a good one. It's got a big yellow spot. And this is a seedless one too.
Oh, hold on, I got another mechanism.
You got another mechanism? Now thump the one I'm talking about. See there? We came to Mama's to eat.
Hello.
For those of you who's never seen it, we wanted to show you the big beach. I love our little town.
And that smoky mountain smoke I'm breathing, but I bet my legs rocky top dollar. That's easy. C-O-C-A, back home in GA, any place you won't see me.
We'll get back out in a little bit and go watch some fireworks. What? What is he doing? Oh, Lord. He's not even supposed to be running with that boot on. I ain't letting him have all the fun.
I didn't think you were too. Jewelry and all too, huh? You thought you didn't have a necklace on, you might have lost it.